In this video, you're going to learn how to create this zombie makeup ready for Halloween. Everything used in this video can be sourced as Spotlight. Starting off with the Bys Liquid Latex, apply this in random patches around the face. If you've never used liquid latex before, please make sure to do a patch test before using. Allow this to dry mostly before continuing. Use a spatula to tear holes in the liquid latex, and this creates the appearance of wounds. Then go in with the Bys White Liquid Foundation and apply this all over the face. Using the Bys Zombie Color Wheel, take the dark green color and apply this in random spots around the face. This adds a sickly look to the skin. Then taking the Bys Cuts and Scratches Color Wheel, add some black under the eyes. Then taking the darker red from the color wheel and add this to under the eyes as well. This gives the appearance of bruising and sickly skin. You can also add this in other patches around the face. Take the green down the neck. Back into the color wheel, taking the bright red and adding this to the base of the wounds. Taking the black and blending this around the edges. You can use your finger to blend with this one. Adding some small spots of yellow to the center of the wound. And you can add some more black around the eyes if you feel it's needed. Doing some contouring to make the skin look more gaunt. You can use a stipple sponge and the bright red color wheel to add some scratches across the face. Add some dirt powder to make it look a little bit more dirty. You're going to use the Bys Liquid Blood to add some blood to the wounds. Be careful with this one, it's quite runny. I would recommend using this below the eyes. Use the clotted blood in areas around the eyes and above the eyes because it doesn't run as much. You can also dab this over the wounds. Don't forget the hands. You can also use the dirt powder on your fingertips. I've also used the zombie school uniform costume in this one. Dirty up the costume, zhuzh up your hair. You can use hairspray and dry shampoo in your hair. And this is the final look. Have fun.